If you're managing a fleet without online dash cameras installed into your vehicles, you're at risk. By using TFL-approved online cameras, you can view footage from your vehicles and protect your business from costly claims. Hi, I'm Charles from Traknova. In this video, I'll show you how we use TFL-approved 4G cameras to keep fleets compliant, secure, and fully protected against false claims and liability. If you run a taxi or rental business, this is something you cannot afford to ignore. Every year, fleet operators lose thousands due to false insurance claims, disputes with passengers or customers, and lack of video evidence. Without video footage, it's your word against theirs. And in court or with insurers, that's rarely enough. This is why we installed TFL-approved 4G cameras into fleets across the UK. Now, these aren't just dash cameras. They provide interior and exterior views, instant cloud uploads, real-time alerts, live stream footage, and snapshots. They also come with full compliance with TFL and private hire regulations. Let me show you how it works. From the Traknova dashboard, I select a vehicle, click on dash camera, select archive, and then I can filter for cloud footage. From here, I can see all the footage this camera has uploaded to the cloud. I can view the footage on the platform, and if I need, I can also download it to my personal device. And as a backup, if the footage is not able to be uploaded to the cloud, all the data is securely backed up on an SD card. The Traknova platform also gives you the ability to live stream footage directly from the camera to your dashboard. This is great if you need a quick visual reference of where a vehicle is and what the driver is doing. You can also take snapshots as well in case anything catches your eye. These cameras meet Transport for London's strict requirements, making them ideal for private hire and taxi operators, delivery or service fleets operating in London, or any business that just wants to meet or exceed regulatory standards. With Traknova, you're not just compliant, you are fully covered. But here is how it really pays off. In the event of a crash, theft, or dispute, you have crystal clear footage to support your case. You can provide instant evidence to your insurer and resolve claims faster without unnecessary back and forth. And if you combine the online camera with the Traknova tracking device, you can also get 24/7 tracking of your vehicles. If you're managing a fleet in the UK and you're not using TFL-approved 4G cameras, you're leaving yourself open to risk and likely overpaying on insurance. Protect your drivers, protect your assets, and protect your business. Click the link in the description to book a free demo and see how easy it is to get your fleet compliant and secure with Traknova.